Hi guys, welcome back to Toyphotography. So as you can see in front of you, we are working on Godzilla. So the idea is I wanted to create a scene where Godzilla is attacking a power plant. So as you can see, we have a power plant and then a power line. Let's get into it. So as you can see here, we've got a couple of power lines, sorry, and then you can see some accessories on the back, on the foreground. We had so it's like nuclear tanks and all that, domes, and yeah, so you can clearly see it's a facility instead of in the city. We have a background of the moon. I wanted to make it a little bit more dramatic, so it's a little bit of horror, and we give it a little bit of color. It's really simple, so let's go on. So as you can see here, the foreground and the accessories that I use, and the lighting, we have a lume cube with a barn door to especially highlight the fire effects. And at the back, since we're gonna use smokes, so we need a strong light at the back to highlight the smoke, and also so to simulate the moon that I was gonna put in the back. So yeah, let's take a shot. So that's it, guys, and I'll see you next time. Stay tuned. See you soon. Bye bye.